Hello boys and girls, Ms. Melanie here again, and today I want to teach you about opposites. Do you know the difference between opposites? Kind of like the marker is on top of my hand, the marker is on the bottom. Marker is over my hand, the marker is under my hand. My marker is up, my marker is down. So my marker is open and my marker is closed. So those are opposites. Now, in your mommy and daddy's email, I have a worksheets of different opposites. And they're puzzles. And we're going to try to find which opposite goes with one side. See, here's one side, and then here is the other side. And we're going to lay them out, and we're going to go over each one, but they're not in order because we have to guess which opposite goes with which. Are you ready? Good. So our first word is stand. Now, could you repeat me? Good, and I'm going to put it right here in front of me. And the next word is light. And I put it right there. Good, everyone. And then there's dry. Good. Before. Empty. On. Day. Open. Sad. In. Short. Awake. Hot. Front. Push. Wet. Up. Clean. Big. And noisy. So that's one side. Now let's do the other side. So the other side of the puzzle. So we have full. Out. Under. Sit. Long. Close. Keep repeating me. Heavy. Night. Wet. After. Happy. Back. Asleep. Pull. Down. Down. Dry. Cold. Small. Quiet. And dirty. Now, as you can tell, Ms. Melanie cut her puzzles out and separated them. Now, remember, when you cut out your puzzle, or mommy does, make sure everyone cuts away from their body and you cut with the paper. The paper moves and you cut along away from your body. Okay, everyone? Okay, So let's begin. Before we begin, let's see how many we have on each side. Let's count. So, ready? Let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 on one side. So let's count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20. Now, 20 plus 20 equals 40 pieces. We have 40 pieces here. Do you think we can get it done? All right, let's see. Now, you can laminate these and play with it over and over again, or when you find the right answer, you can take a piece of tape and put it together. So let's begin here. What's the opposite of clean? Good, yes, I found it. It's dirty. So you put the puzzle piece together. There you go. So Miss Melanie's gonna put a piece of tape. So I have one. And then you could have someone else go, but Miss Melanie's gonna do all of them. So here we go. So the next one is awake. What's the opposite of awake? Good, yes. Asleep. There you go. So I put it together. Opposite of awake is asleep. Excellent job, my friends. All right, next one is hot. What's the opposite of hot? I found it right here. It's, what is everyone? Cold. The opposite of hot is cold. Okay. All right. And there you go. The next one is front. What's the opposite of front? Yeah, you're right. Here's your front, and then there is your back. The opposite of front is back. Tape it together. You're doing so good so far, everyone, and here you go. All right, next one is, what's the opposite of push? What's the opposite of push? Good, it's pull. You see, the puzzle goes together. So you got push and pull. So that's the opposite. Okay, next is, if you're wet, what's opposite of wet? Good, yes. Dry. The opposite of wet is dry. Here we go. Next one is up. What's the opposite of up? Good. Up. Down. Yes, the opposite of up is down. I'm taping it, and here you go. All right. What's the opposite of big? Good. Small. The opposite of big is small. Excellent work, everyone. See, thank you for helping me. What's the opposite of noisy? Noisy, everyone. Yes. Quiet. The opposite of noisy is quiet. So we're done with those. Now let's do the other puzzle. What's the opposite of stand? If you're standing, what's the opposite? Yes, good. Sit. The opposite of stand is sit. All right. What's the opposite of open? If something's open, what's the opposite? Yes, here it is. closed. The opposite of open is closed. All right, here we go. What's the opposite of sad? Let's look, and we found it, and it's good. Happy. Don't be sad. Be happy. Here we go. Opposite of sad is happy. What's the opposite of in? If you're in, what's the opposite of in? Good. Yes. Out. The opposite of in is out. Oh, we're getting there. All right, what's the opposite of short hair? Like short. Good, yes. Long. The opposite of short is long. All right. What's the opposite of full? If something's full, what's the opposite? Good. Empty. All right. What's the opposite of under? Remember, I said something's under. Well, for this one, under the table, the opposite is on the table. Good. All right. What's the opposite of before? Before, the opposite is good. Yes, it's opposite. After, the opposite of before is after. The opposite's before, after, before, after. All right. What's the opposite of light? Something is light. What's the opposite? Yes, it's heavy. The opposite of light is heavy. There you go. All right. What's the opposite if something is dry? And then water splashes on you and you get what? Yes, you get wet. Opposite of dry is wet. Okay, we got one more left. And you're all doing such a great job. What's the opposite of day? Good, yes. The opposite of day is night. Wow, my friends, you did such a great job. Let's see if we can read. So we got noisy and quiet, big and small, up and down, wet and dry. We have wet and dry twice. Push and pull, front and back, hot and cold, awake, asleep, clean, dirty, day, night, dry, wet again, light, heavy, before, after, on, under, empty, full, short, long, in, out, sad, happy, open, close, stand, sit. Wow, my friends, you did such a great job learning your opposites with me and helping me with my puzzle. I hope you have fun doing your opposite puzzles just like I did. And remember, opposites are a lot of fun to learn because you should know the difference between stand and sit as an example. Those are opposites. I hope you had fun with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.